Does this LED light strip remind you of something you've seen before? Whether at home or outdoors, its shadow can be seen everywhere. But have you ever wondered how this ubiquitous LED light strip is actually manufactured? Today, we will directly visit the 24,000 square meter Source LED strip production base.
This is the light strip board of the LED light strip. But have you noticed that there are many yellowish areas on it? These are the places where the light chips are placed. Perhaps someone will ask again, if we just place the light beads on it, what if we accidentally move them and they fall off? At this point, we will need to use our LED strip glue. First, apply the glue at the designated positions. And then we can simply let the automatic soldering machine do the work at a high speed. Place all the light chips in the correct positions. This is how the light strip looks when the light bulbs are properly installed. But do you think that's all? In fact, the glue on top is still wet. It also needs to be sent into a high-temperature reflow soldering oven and finally tested for proper lighting. Congratulations! The light strips have been completed 80% of the way. But do you feel that something is missing? Yes, it's the absence of the power connection cable. After the wires are welded, the task is completed. A genuine LED light strip is then born. What should be done if you want to make it waterproof? Like and follow us, and we'll update the next video soon.